everybody, I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this simple cup with a dog image in it in Blender. So we are going to use the Bevel Modifier to smooth these parts and the Shrink Wrap Modifier to stick this dog image into the cup. So before starting the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first, I want to make a shape, a 3D shape called dodecahedron, which is super cool and really fast to make and easy. So we are going to use the Bevel Modifier and then we are going to change the amount. So to do that, we are going to delete the cube and then add an ecosphere, then change the subdivisions to 1. And then we are going to add a bevel modifier, then change the amount until it closes. And we will have the shape called dodecahedron. We can apply the bevel modifier, then merge by distance. And then we will have this really cool looking shape. So the Bevel Modifier makes these edges rounder like this. So for example, I'm going to add a cube and then add a Bevel Modifier. And we can see that this part has become like this. And to make this even more smoother, we can change the segments, which will make this part rounder like this. And also we can use the bevel in the edit mode, which we can select an edge, and then over here we will have the bevel where we can bevel like over here. But when we open here, we will have more. So the shape, if you guys do like this, the shape will change how the bevel is beveling. So we can change it like this. And now I'm going to make a cup using the Bevel Modifier and the help with other modifiers like the subdivision. So I'm going to add a cylinder. Select these faces, insert them, the bridge faces, add a loop cut over here, and then in the face selection I'm going to select this loop and then select bridge face. And then I'm going to delete this face, then select these edge loop and then fill them with F. Now I'm going to shade this out to smooth and make this part smoother. So I'm going to add Bevel Modifier, then make it like this, and then add a subdivision surface modifier. Now I'm going to do here the handle. So I'm going to add another cylinder, rotate it at the x-axis 90 degrees, move it over here, and then we are going to insert these two like this, bridge faces, scale them at the y-axis, and then scale it a little bit like this. Then we are going to delete this part. like this. Now I'm going to add the bevel modifier. Then make this smooth. And now I'm going to show you guys how to stick an image to the cup using the shrink wrap modifier. So I'm going to add my image. And then I'm going to place it over here. Then I'm going to scale it a little bit. And now we can use the shrink wrap modifier. So now we can't really see the dog, but if we change the offset, we will be able to see it. And now I'm going to go to the edit mode, then subdivide this a little bit. Now we can add the shrink wrap modifier, then set it to the cup, then change the offset to 0.0.1 so we can see it, and then I'm going to scale it at the x-axis. Now I want to delete. Now I want to make this thing over here disappear. So I'm going to go to the texture paint, and now I'm going to cover this with the white color. Now I'm going to scale this a little bit more. And yeah, I like this. And there you go. I hope it was a really fun lesson, and I had really fun while doing this cup with a dog image in it. And so, I hope you guys learned so many things in this lesson. So if you guys get stuck anywhere or have any suggestion for my next video, you guys can write it in the comments. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.